In this video, I will show you, the Edge browser user, how you can make it better and more useful to use. Basically, I will show you how I set up the Edge browser from scratch for my daily use. And by the way, this can be replicated on macOS and Linux as well, so it doesn't really matter which operating system you use. Before we begin, make sure that you click on that like button down below, and if you are new here, click on that subscribe button as well. And with that said, let's begin. Let's address the look better part of the Microsoft Edge. So many of you probably know that the Microsoft is coming out with a new UI for the Microsoft Edge. So if you don't have it already, you can go here on the top right corner and click on these three dots here and click on settings. Then you will navigate to the bottom option called About Microsoft Edge and make sure that you have Microsoft Edge up to the latest version. And then on top, you will open a new tab and you will type inside the input field or the address bar, you will type in Edge column / flags and then press enter. And then for the flags, you will search for Microsoft Edge rounded corners and you will change this from default to enabled. And then you will go back to the input field on the Edge column / flags page and you will type in make rounded tabs feature available. So this one right here, and then you will go from default to enabled as well, and then you can restart the Edge browser. And here you can already see that we have this new look of the Microsoft Edge browser. If you want to disable that as well, you can just manually disable the flags as I enabled them. Or if you want, you can also go here to the appearance tab and scroll down, and here you will basically see the option, which is right here, try the new look and feel of Microsoft Edge. You can also disable it right here. Now, this is not everything, because the Microsoft Edge is quite annoying. When you click on new tab, you will be redirected to this new tab page. So to fix this, we will go here once again to the three dots on the top right, click on the extensions here, and then you will click here manage extensions. Here on this page, you will enable here down below allow extensions from other stores. So click on that. And here you will click on allow, and then we will go to the new tab and search for the new tab redirect. Click on enter, and you can see here that we can go to this page from the Chrome Web Store, and we will install this. Click on get here, and then you will click on add extension, and you can see that right now the Microsoft Edge itself disabled this extension. So here you can see this item is inactive. I will click here on enable now. You can then just go here to the extensions once again, click on manage extensions and enable new tab redirect from here. And now you can see this welcome page of the new tab redirect extension. Here on the top, you will click on set options, and here you can basically type in which URL or which page you prefer for the new tab. Here I will type in www.google.com, and here I will click on save. And then if I right now open the new tab here, you can see here that we have Google as our new tab page. But this is not all, because Microsoft Edge browser also has another annoying feature, which is if you go here on the top and search whatever, you will see that it always searches with Microsoft Bing. So to fix this as well, you can go back to the three dots on the top right, click on the settings, and then you will navigate here to the privacy, search and services tab. Here you will scroll down until you see the feature which is called under the services, which is called address bar and search. So click on this here, and then you can change this feature, search engine used in the address bar. So here from Bing, I will click on Google, and this is pretty much it. If you want, you can also remove a few of the search engines or add your search engine of choice here as well. But this is how I like it, using Google as a default search engine on the address bar as well. So if I open the new tab here and let's type in something in the address bar as well, like Wikipedia, for example, you will always search with the Google. We also can get a lot of the ads while searching the web. So to fix that, we can also install another extension which is called uBlock. So you can go here to Chrome Store and install this extension as well. And now if you go here on the three dot, you can go here to the extensions and you can see here that we have uBlock installed as well as the new tab redirect. So this is how I basically set up the Edge browser for the daily use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash up on the subscribe button, like this video as well. And if you are interested in this wallpaper, then you can also check out the first link in the video description below. Thank you again for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.